Holds, please, Jack. Jack, have my camera back. Thank you.
By the time I get here, pretty much all
What does this do? I'll go up to the front. Sorry.
So we're now in the bus.
Can I go for?
So we are now entering the bus garage facility. We are now going to be going and turning into the bus
From
block.
here.
As
See.
we pull out, you're going to notice that there are some tanks in my head. Those are used to store diesel for the bus garage.
Oh, thank you.
I can get that. I can get it too.
Sure, sure. Yeah, no, that's great.
Was that in the video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 or 3.
See on the right here our fuel storage. Keep our diesel. Each tank is can hold up to 50,000 liters.
Wait. What's Ardo? So what do you honk the horn for?
Just for safety, in case anyone's there, just let them know the bus is coming through. Alright, we're now entering our bus wash area. Each night when the bus has finished its routes, come through here, gets a nice wash, and then into storage, ready for the next day. The water used in this bus wash is actually recycled. It's rainwater collected on the roof, stored in tanks below, and then recycled to clean our buses. So likely some of that rain that we got earlier today is going to be reused to clean the bus. We're in the splash zone here. A little bit of water comes in through the doors. Quick stop to clean the back of the bus.
You pick up. Yeah, Joshua, it's sunny now. Today it's a risk cycle, but today it said risk a thunderstorm, but now today it's now sunny outside.
Yeah, it's great.
I wish it was like this earlier as well.
Yeah, that would have been nice. On the right side, at least we didn't get totally rained out.
Yo, there's not a lot of people here to do this year. There's not a lot of people here today. Pardon? What did you say to me, Josh? I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Cool. What's your YouTube channel?
Manaf D.
Sorry?
Manaf D.
15?
Yep.
Alright.
I wonder what if they use a 40-footer on this wash. That would be crazy.
Yeah.
If they used a 40-footer.
Alright.
Oh look, there's 50. Look,
Bus repair
look, Josh.
garage. This is where the buses get
There's 50.
maintained and,
There's 50 to
fixed up by
24.
their mechanics. See on the right here, a few buses up on the hoist, and you can probably see a few mechanics starting to work here as well.
So if they were to change the transmission, so they would have had stripped the entire bus, right?
To be honest, I'm not 100% sure.
Pardon? So they had stripped the entire bus if they had changed the transmission.
No, they don't have to.
No? But I feel like on some of their 40-footers they changed the transmission.
If needed.
Did they change it to a different brand or something for transmission, or is it still the exact same one?
No, it's manufacturer standards. So if they change it to the exact same one, it has.
Because all these buses, the 40-footers, they have to avoid the IAA3E.
Agreed. So some of them will have certain manufacturers, and some of them are manufactured.
Yes.
As you can see, some of the buses are different. So if they're different, they're going to have that make spec of the transmission. I don't know what the number is off the top of my head, but they get replaced like from it.
Makes sense because I've got 5103 and they look like I've been on 51. I was on 5126 in last March, and then it feel like they changed the transmission.
Alright, that concludes our tour, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the ride. We'll be pulling right back up to where we boarded. I want to thank a few people. I want to thank our very special guest, Pylon Pete, for joining us today. Give a round of applause. And also a round of applause for our bus driver, Ben, for taking us along. Thanks, everybody. I hope you have a great rest of the day.
You don't need to say that, Josh. Everyone knows it. Gary. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.
No, I don't. I'm just wondering what this stuff.
Yeah, this is